guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today you join me in Winchester here tonight for HC Meets. Now I'm currently filming this intro on my camcorder. This is the camera that I always use to film these videos, but the rest of the video is filmed on my actual Sony A7S. It's my big camera, so it should be better quality because it's mirrorless camera and I've got a different lens on it. It's a very wide angle lens, so please let me know, do you prefer the quality and stuff from the camcorder that I'm recording on right now, or the rest of the video that is filmed on the Sony A7S? Just please let me know what you prefer, the intro or the rest of the video, and then that will decide what camera I want to start using, because when I film this evening meets, the footage can be very, very dark when I'm editing, so I kind of want some better footage. And yeah, let's just get straight into tonight's video. Something's popping and banging like crazy over there. Oh, there we go, got some V8 goodness. First time seeing this up. Oh, I can see flames underneath the arouser over there. We've got noises. We've got the Astra going over to the Lupo, that's what it is. We saw this in Southampton once. Still can't drive it, I can't cross the road as of right now. Strong smell of fuel. There's now flames coming from this over here. The green and purple machine. Oh, he stopped. Oh, great. Oh, he's back. I think he's showing him up. I want to film that closer. I got this. Oh, he's stopped. No, he's going again, come on. Everyone shooting flames. Whoa. Taking a walk past this Astra VXR, but as you can see, it's got no fog lights in, and it used to be red. Oh, the Ferrari's back again. This was here the other day. Here we go, we're seeing the Ferrari once again. This was at the Mare Oak City Smokers meet the other day. Are we gonna get any revs from it though? That's the main question. Look how slow he's gone over the speed bumps. The car isn't even that low. Oh! That's why you don't go over it fast with a lowered car. That sounded horrendous. Then we got a 350. Yep, look, he's going over it sideways. That's Lee Lockwood's old car here. Has he got a crisp packet stuck to the front of his BMW? Yeah, he does. Having a rev battle. We got revs here though. So there actually is a police car here now. He's down that end somewhere. Yes, there's a Mark 1 MX-5 with a silver hardtop. He needs an exhaust. Don't reverse into the post. Imagine if he did. I keep forgetting how like wide angle this is. You can hear the supercharger. I think this may be the police car parked just up there on the road with their lights on. It's not a new location, surely. I mean, I know there's police here, but they're letting us do it. Oh, the Golf is going back again. That is so loud. Crazy how loud that is. Oh, that's the IS. As I was recording the turboed IS200s, someone has driven in the bus lane and been pulled over. Now, I'm not sure in this place if it matters if you drive in the bus lane, but someone has been... Oh, it's the Golf! Oh, no! So I've just gone back to the car. I've now changed the lenses over, so I can now zoom in. This isn't as wide, but there is a brand new location, so we're going to head to the exit. I just need to quickly take some pictures of this, and then we head over there. So they're all going down there. Turboed. I'd love an S14. The RS, oh yes, 350 with a joint wing. You can see his lights reflecting off the wing there. Turboed IS200, sounds so good. I would love a car that has turbo flutter. I just need a turbo for my Mark 1, that's all I need. There's blue lights. Oh no. Have we got a wide E46, E36? We got an E36 with a lot of camber on the front. E46, pink E46 with no side skirts. There's the 1.80. Most of the cars have now left this location. We're going to head to the new one. So I'm going to put that into the sat-nav once I get into the car. Hopefully it isn't far. E36 there. That will be over my Instagram. I think I got pictures of that one. That is literally like the same police car that was at the last location. So we heard drifting when we was in the car. We pulled up to the location, and as we got here, they have just arrived exactly when we did. Oh, the police are now coming back in. They disappeared for about 5 minutes and now they are back. Is that clutch? Might have been clutch. Just put on their Instagram that everyone finds somewhere to go for 30 minutes and then a new location will be released. The Swift is revving. I reckon this probably has tyres in the back of this van. The four-door R34. The limited edition Fabia VRS, this looks so good. That blue is so nice. That was close. Oh, no. Oh my God, that was close. We are now at the new location. Cars seem to be going this way. I've actually been to this location before in the Fiesta, but remember there was police here last time, so I ended up just turning around and going home. But it looks like it's this way. I don't know what it is. It could just be a big open spot. It could be a roundabout. I have no idea. Currently walking to the location, and the police van has just pulled out of this junction here. So I don't even know if it's worth going down there now. I think it's all the way at the end. As you've seen on camera, there is a police van here and also a police car, and we're not going to see much. Every time we keep pulling up to these locations, police are already here because I am filming cars leaving, and you've already seen them leave the last 2 locations. Now we're at the 3rd one, so instead of filming it all again, you've already seen it. I'm going to end this video here. That was it from HC Meets from Southampton. It's a shame that the police keep showing up. Like, this location was only about 5 miles away from the last one, and the police are already here like instantly, and the location didn't get announced until about 10 minutes ago. So yeah, they're just going to keep following us for the rest of the night. I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. It's much appreciated, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.